Meaning of inner city.
Inner city.
Inner city.
Inner city.
Inner city. Inner city typically refers to the older, central part of a city that is marked by dense residential neighborhoods and commercial areas. Historically, these areas were often associated with poverty, crime, and social problems. However, in recent decades, many inner cities have undergone gentrification and revitalization efforts, leading to the emergence of more diverse communities and cultural offerings. Despite ongoing challenges, the inner city remains an important part of many metropolitan areas, representing both historical legacies and ongoing urban change.